Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make lavender soap. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making lavender soap and I'm gonna walk you through what I am planning on doing and how I do it. And I'm doing it for some wedding favors for my friend getting married soon. So actually it's the daughter who is getting married soon. So I'm doing some wedding favors for them. They requested 100 pieces, so that's what I'll do. So basically when you're making soap, you need a couple of things. You need some oil. So in here, I do have my preferred oil for my recipe. I printed out my recipe through Soap Cow. That's a website that you go in there and you print the recipe so that you can make sure that the water and the lye can mix and make soap. I have my blender. It's a non-stick blender. I love it. I do have a couple of spoons to help me with mixing. I have my lavender essential oil already measured out. I do have my lye and water all mixed out, and the temperature for it now it's 71. I do have my 2 molds from Amazon. And what else? And you also need a measuring device to measure all your oils and your lye. I have my goggles. You need goggles for safety because that lye can be very toxic to your eyes. So you want to protect them. So I'm going to be putting this on. I do also have a long sleeve sweater on and some gloves. And you need something to check the temperature of your oils together with your water. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. And then I will leave the soap to stay in there for 24 hours before I remove it from the mold. And then I slice it up, wait for about 4 to 6 weeks to cure. And then after that, I package it and deliver. So yeah, soap making is a very interesting concept. I came to discover about it about last year in, was it September, October? And I found this group of people in YouTube that are making soap and they're really having fun with it. So I took it on, and so I make soap, and sometimes I do sell it at the farmer's market. I don't have a website to sell the soap yet, but I'm working on it. I'm usually like tech challenged, but I'll keep working on it. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I will leave some of these things that I'll be using down below, and then as well as the website that I use to formulate the recipe, because as I said, you need a recipe to make soap. And if you have any questions about soap making, please don't please leave below. Let me know. Leave all the comments below. Like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I appreciate you taking some time to watch. And The soap to dry for 24 hours, then unmold it, and then it will be ready for you to cut it out. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.